Hello, welcome to a new live session. Welcome to a new live session. Tuesday, 21/12/2021. Hi, welcome جميعا ل new live session نهار الثلاثاء ب 21/12/2021 في TS Open. Check everything. We still have like 5 minutes for the US Open. Okay, here we are with the live stream. It's on.
ما بعرف حطي لهم بدك ايه.
Mute, please. Roland. Okay. 21/12/2021. Yep, you probably have the option to mute us. I am, but you have the option to unmute yourself. So automatically we are unmuting person who will come in. Yes, sir. Let's put the setup fast. We have عندنا هون this support level. This is a nice support level. Look to this area. Support level منيح هون إذا تطلعوا فيها. 2 x3. So we will need is after the open to close and then what? ليش هيدي كلها؟ daily. It's a full area, but we need to squeeze it. It's too big. Yep. For the daily, it is an area. For the it's too big. So we need to see a close above this. Okay. No trade range for this.
عمال خد معك وحده نايلون.
Okay, let's see how the US Open will happen. On also we have an option, but this is the weaker one. This resistance أضعف, weaker one, but still an option. But we have here very bad shadow. The sell is so far. The sell is the best option. The sell is the best option if we break below 35,182. Sell بتضل أحسن شيء إذا كسرنا تحت 35,182. We will see. Let's see. Yes, open. For me, the sell, it's much better option. If we break down, it's a better option than the buy. Look, we have a clean traffic. 15 minutes also. But also the buy up, not here. Here you can, guys. It's 58, till 73, you have a 10 pips option, but it's very narrow. Let's see how the market will open. بدنا نشوف أول حركة بالماركت. We can never take trade directly on the US Open. We will wait the first move. If it moves up and then reject down, or if it moves down or then reject up. بدنا نشوف أول حركة دايما ما بناخد تريد دغري أول ما يفتح. بدنا نشوف أول شيء شو بيعمل، إذا دغري بكب طلوع ولا نزول، من بعدها شو رح بتكون الرياكشن تبعه. إذا في rejection وفي rejection. Let's see. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Mute, guys. Mute your mics, please. First reaction. Up. Up, up, up. I'm more in for the sell. I wish it can go down. And now it can reject and go down. It's much better. But let's see. We'll follow the setup. So far, it's still pushing up. Oh, very nice push. Very nice push. But we cannot take so far. Let's see if it will retrace and go up. رح ياخد باي هون. Oh, whoa, 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 wow. Guys, amazing trade. Amazing, amazing, amazing trade. It's still moving up. The momentum is still up. I closed this trade and I took 2 lots in this trade, not 1 lot. I'm preparing myself for next month. Wow, 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 amazing.
I felt that إنه معلّى lot king.
Very fast, nice. I took it like 10 pips, but it went more. Advice 3.5, it went like almost 30 pips. The first break, I didn't take it. I waited for the second break. Yani once it retraced a bit and then pushing up again. And I will tell you why this. Who took this trade, guys? Who took this trade?
ما لحقنا.
ما لحقت؟ This is the fast way.
بصراحة أنا أخذت على السريع بالطلعة وبالنزلة 5 سو عملت 10 بيبس.
Nice, congrats.
Thank you guys, thank you.
It was super fast, by the way.
أنا إحساسي إنه في شوت كتير قوية، لأن ما بعرف شو السبب يعني. عندي رسمتي الخاصة بس لأنه مش عم يطلع.
I don't know this case. فيك تبعت لها رسمتك الخاصة. Send it to see it. هون personally what it happened أخذ فوليوم من هون ضله طالع. The big volume يلي كبس فيه من بعد ما كسر resistance. أول واحدة جيت أخذها وصل على القد كسرها فوقها. رجع رد نزول. من بعد we went down again down and then started to push up again and reach the high. I took the trade and pop suddenly it moved 10 pips 11 pips. I closed it and then kept moving the up for almost like 10 pips 20 pips and we are out. It gave me 13 pips.
هاي lot كمان بزيادة. It's risky لأنه إذا بيقلب.
Yes, ma, that's why I took it 10 pips. I can't go more, especially that this is the same candle, it's moving up. This is scalp. Even though now it moves down, it breaks down, it's different. يعني لو في potential برسمة تاني هلا حدا كان عم بيقول لي كمل نزلة. أنا I'm taking this trade based on this check. This is it. You have a clean traffic here. You have a support resistance here. We take our trade, we move out. we don't stay and 10 pips very fast.
كلين ترافيك عاملها على القد.
على البكلة this one كان بده حتى شوي بعد بيحمل كان طالعة شوي. We'll see هلا if it will go for the sell. It's kind of a rejection. It will be nice. Look, this 5 minutes. I will send it to the Telegram, the trade. Let's see. There's two options. Even if it will break the slow, ممكن يكمل نزلة down, and we will see if it will break the support, or it can break up. يلا أنا أخذت سكر half float position على 10 بيب وحطيت stop loss على 10 بيب. بس just open the runners. Yes, you can keep runners. You can keep runners. But you have to be aware, George. Once you want to keep running runners, أنا خصوصي بالداو خصوصي لو يكون هيك طالع الكاندل يعني it's risky. You must take 10-15 pips and go out. But if you want to keep runner, what you will do that you will close half lot and the other half on stop loss. You put stop loss at entry. بتحط stop loss على الانتري وبتترك إذا ضربت لك إياها then you will see بعدين if you take second chance ولا لا. إذا لا ضله كمل بتضلك مكمل directly. Okay. بتضلك مكمل directly. هلا في كتير مجال يكون عم يعمل ويك فيل يكمل طلع بعد الويك فيل. Let's see. وبعدنا محافظين على ال 100% success rate. This is our go check the result. We're still bullish so far. Let's see. Okay, that's it. So still bullish. So, I don't know if you can see this.
هي بينت.
Okay, so this is our lovely trade. أخذناها at كان تقريبا يعني هذا باي ذا واي بعده توقيت لبنان عندي هون هذا الاكونت يعني لأنه فاتحه بلبنان قبل ما أجي. So it's we took it like 1 minute 22 seconds after and we closed it after the US Open. 35289 لل 35302. It is like 13 pips almost and 2 lots. بلشت اتدرب على 2 lots. So let's see. US 30 resuming up so far. Let's see. We have a study, Miguel, British pound, US dollar. It's 1 hour. Yes, the down is nice. You have a clean traffic, and the up is not bad at all. But make sure to secure 10 pips, and then you keep the way up. Very nice.
اكيد
ال 30 minute بتبين أوضح على فكرة.
ايه مظبوط. انا بنزل 30 و1 اور 30 مينيموم
Yes.
اكتر شيء بالباس.
True. Still moving up. US 30. This candle close is very important, by the way. This candle close is very important, by the way. Oh, it will be nice. Even we still have a clean traffic up. And this candle, if it closes here, this 1 minute, without pushing further up now. Up. And you must wait the next candle to close. If it closed down and moved down like a wick and then start to move up, also it can be a buy, but like this is the move I hate in a candle. I don't like, let's not say I hate. When it does this before 1 minute from the candle close. It was nice. Let's see. يكون حلو انه بعدنا محافظين على 100% من نوفمبر لهلا باللايف سيشن بلا ما نكون عم نوقف تريدينج، مش انه وقفنا جمعتين انه خلص. Let's see. Did we have a week down? We have a week down. Yes, this is a wick down. Oh, now breaking the high. Now breaking the high of the previous candle will be interesting. Of course, I did my trade so far. I doubt to take another trade, but breaking this high, 35,362, will be interesting for a buy. Let's see. Wick down now, retracing. 15 minutes, rejection. So let's see. Personally, I would love to see this US 30 crashing down. Elias 10 pips sell, nice. Body 20 pips, nice. Now it should break down. I don't know if it will respect. المهم تحترم اللو تبع اللي قبله. عنا low, higher low, higher low. We have high, higher high, higher high. So far, if this formation creates a new high, it starts to move up. Most probably, it will keep its way up. But let's see. The only option, if someone would love to buy, it will be to break the high. So this setup will be, we'll have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then high, higher high, higher high, and then it will be moving up. رح يكون عم يتحرك up to do a new high, higher high. رح يكون عم يتحرك تيعمل higher high جديد. But let's see. Let's see how it will happen. See how it will happen. The most important part you must always understand. Here in the US sessions, in the US daily session, we are not swinging the US 30. We are scalping the US 30. So when you do a trade, you close it at 10, 15, 20 pips. But if you want to keep runners, إذا بدكم تكونوا عم تتركوا runner بعد ما تكونوا عم تفتحوا هالعملية وتتركوها, you keep just like 20% of this trade. And you keep runner to see how much it can go up. Let's see, now breaking the low. Not bad. It might be a reversal. This candle is such a reversal candle if it closes at this level. Let's see. Yo, 11 pips, George, on YouTube. George ولحقها 11 pips. Nice, George, on YouTube. Like, nice, you did the setup. It's more important also to do the setup and to manage your trade. Sometimes, يعني, you don't need to wait until I say I buy. هلا in the future you'll understand هذا الشيء، لقدام رح تفهموا هذا الشيء. ما انكم بحاجه كثير تنطروني لكلمه يعني تقول قلتها ما لحقنا. انا بكون قبل عامل السيت اب، بكون ناطرين السيت اب. So هذا السيت اب اذا ضبط and then you can do it. You can close, you can buy, you can do this. And then مع الوقت 1 month, 2 months, 3 months you will get used to it. So never mind الاشخاص الجداد. خصوصي بالداو رح بتشوفوا قد ايه التريدات سوبر سريعين عليه. By the way قد ايه اخذت معي هيدي التريد؟ 1 second. اوه 31.15 till 31.22. It took like 7 seconds. 7 seconds. This trade. 7 seconds. Nice. Let's see. 30 pips. Hassouni Bakr. Nice. Nice Bakr. Let's see. Wow, some people are making real profits on US 30. 100%. أنا ما كنت لحق اليوم، عملت السيت اب قبل بوقت ولحقتها. That's amazing, George. And more, all the new people. كل الأشخاص الجداد. ليش I tell you, most of the people I talked to before they joined this community, I told you guys, you need to بس تتلحقونا تتعلموا at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month of live session. يعني لحتى تفهموا exactly إنه الداو it's so particular, so unique, the US 30. Especially in scalping the US 30. It's super fast and you will become super fast once you increase your skills more and more with us. The one reason I scalped the US 30, I decided to scalp the US 30 from the beginning, is that I don't want to wait on a trade like 10-15 minutes. I don't have like أنا ما عندي emotional part to wait on a trade 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes like in currencies. مثلا مثل السترليني yen like GJ or something. Sometimes it moves directly, sometimes we wait 10-15 minutes. In US 30 it never happens. If I want to go to a trade, I must have the best setup. بدي يكون عامل السيت اب الأضبط إذا بدي فوت بتريد، يكون مأكد منه، مظبطه، متابعه صار لي زمان, and then I go for maximum 1-2 minutes, maximum if it happens. Usually it doesn't happen, like 15, 20, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. This is what happened. And most of the time between 5 and 15 seconds to trade, most of the time.
Abdullah, question please.
Yes.
Let's say now it kept moving to the support. Fine.
Yeah.
Isn't better we wait a small retracement?
Of course, you have to wait. You don't take it. 1 second. You don't take it as an impulse entry. You will wait the close of this candle after 3 minutes for me, and then you will see the next candle what will do. إذا بتنطر ال 30 دقيقة تقريبا 3 دقايق تتسكر هيدي الكاندل، تشوف الكاندل وراها شو راح تعمل. If it opens with a wick up and then start to push down with the momentum, إذا سكرت طلعت up بعدين بلشت تكبس, and then you can make profit out of it. هلا أكيد في كتير قصص فيكم تعملوها guys. يعني مثلا هون من بعد ما سكرت هيدي الريفرسال فور اكزامبل، هيدي اتس ريفرسال كاندل حرزانة، فتح عمل ويك اب، اكسبكتيشن انه يعمل ويك فيل يعني يرجع يعبي هيدا الشادو. سو فيكم كمان تاخذوها كنتوا 35265 مثلا ل 42 هلا 21 نقطة فيها تكمل. يعني there is a lot of things you can do. مثلا هيدي pure rejection هيدي الكاندل يعني كتير جلة. So
I
the next
saw it. Sorry,
شو؟
I saw it as you said. I saw it and I was preparing. بعدين قلت forget about it. It's Christmas week, so maybe the volume will make something. So I leave it. I
So far,
prefer to go for the safe ones.
Look, so far I didn't feel so far this low momentum in Christmas week. So far, it's a very normal. بالعكس عم بيكون أحسن من قبل. I think the Dow is breaking all the rules. like وقت بيكون في bank holiday. When we have a bank holiday, the momentum is high. When we have normal, maybe this Dow work on holidays more than on normal cases. Very fun. 6-8, okay. Now let's see if it will break. Let me see. Now retracing. Gold, what's gold doing? We had a nice divergence on 15-minute on gold. Look, divergence. So the sell was here. Oh, that's nice. It was like 1797. Not bad. Not bad. Gold. Where's the support? Okay. GJ, by the way, GJ since yesterday it is moving up. Look what a divergence done. It's an amazing divergence here. Look on the CCI mainly, and since that moment it's moving up. من وقتها عم يطلع، يعني من وقت ما كسرنا ال 149 هون أظبط شيء 94 صار طالع شي 100 نقطة من امبارح لليوم. What a move. يعمل شغل حلو. Let's see on Fibonacci how much it moves up. So far around 50%. Now if it moves one way, if it keeps this momentum with green candles on the 4 hours one way till the 74% to 79, this area 151.80, 151.90, it will be a good sniper option sell. US 30. Whoa. This is a nice sell to be taken. This is a nice sell to be taken, to be honest. I won't take it. Personally, I did my trades for today. But what a move for the first 1 minute. It should resume down. It broke this support now. This first move was very fast. But also it is bearish. Now the only problem with this trade will be that your stop loss will be high for the high of this candle if someone takes it. Now my preference is not to take a trade as I did with the first one without now going back down. Yani, not the first break, the second break, because the margin was high from this level 35 to 16, and then poof, 30 seconds, 45 seconds went down. So usually this move down, even if it goes more down, it makes me a bit like skeptical. So I wait this retracement, and then after this, the second chance, I take the sell now if it breaks this low. Personally, I won't take a trade now, but if I would take a trade, if I would take it like this. So let's stay. We have study. Miguel, Euro Canadian. Nice, Miguel. These are amazing studies. This is في تطور كتير قوي. And 1.4566. Most probably, I would love to see a close of this candle على 1 hour to check the next candle with a wick up, and then if it pushes down, then I take the sell. It's a big 1 hour candle, and you never know if, for example, it closes at your entry and then start to push up for a wick up for 1 minute for the 1 hour candle, it will be bad. هتكون ثقيلة. يعني إذا سكرت هون فتحت عملت شادو اب، اذا سكرت يعني اخذت لك الاوردر رجعت من بعدها قررت تسكر الكاندل 1 اور تفتح تطلع تضرب لك ستوب لوس تعمل ويك اب and then ترجع تكمل نزله. So usually when you are approaching for a candle close, especially if you have a big move in this close، اذا عندكم نزله قويه بهيدي النزله دائما it's more preferable to wait the candle to close to check what the next candle will start with. مثل ما عملنا عملية السرلينيان الجمعة الماضية، من بعدها هي عم تكمل ترجعوا بتاخدوه. This is much better. No, this is the S30. This is why I don't like to take trades like this. Now it's rejecting. شنو شيء طارئة rejection. هلا إذا سكرت هيك this 1 minute candle, if it closes like this, it will be dangerous. It will be dangerous. because we will see the next candle. If it makes a wick down and then keeps it ways up, this means that it is a reversal, a full reversal. "20 seconds to close this candle." Let's see. New candle. هلا كسرت الهاي تبعها تكون خطرة إذا كسرتها. If it breaks the high. If it resumes down, then we will have a wick fill and then it will keep its ways down. So this is interesting to watch. هيدي حلوة نتفرج عليها نشوف شو رح تعمل. يعني عندها two cases. Breaking up this high, it will be a potential buy. Breaking down the slope, it will be a potential sell. Personally, one trade or maximum 2 trades per day, it's more than enough. You make your profit, you enjoy it for the weekend. For the holiday weekend. أي weekend. مش بنعرف أي أيام weekend أيها لا. Interesting move. Interesting move. Interesting move. Will it break the high of the previous candle؟ هل رح يكسر الهاي تبع الكاندل اللي قبله؟ هلا راقت هون الأجواء. شو يا أحمد شو رأيك؟ أنا شايف له في برمة.
هلا في هول الشادوز ما بعرف عشان هيك
ولا
ما عم
اللي
بيقدر
هون
يطلع.
ولا اللي هون ايه.
مم.
تنشوف إذا رح يكسر هالهاي. عنده هون بس طلع عنده هيدي الكلين ترافيك هون حلوة. هون عنده كلين ترافيك بالطلعة كان هون عنده كلين ترافيك بالنزلة. إذا كسرها ما بعرف شكله يشفق. وعلى القليل بيجيب ال10 نقط ما بعرف. I think هون عم بحضر. Let's see حتى نتفرج. This range 6-6 41.66. Will it go for almost 20 pips? It's moving now. Let's see. It should go for a 10 to 15 pips, maximum 20 pips. Breaking the high with a reversal, with a rejection from this candle. يعني في عنده كتير قصص بتقول لازم يطلع. ما أعرف شو اللعبة يعملوها بس إنه. Let's see.
هلا بالحالات الطبيعية بهيدي الكاندل اللي عملها الحمراء ريجكشن المفروض يكفي نزلة، ما
هي
المفروض
كاندل.
يلف هاللف. هول الاثنين كاندل
أوه
ريجكشن
واو واو
الحمر.
واو واو سحب لك شو حلوة. صار عامل 15 نقطة. نايس.
بس نو شادو عبد الله صحيح؟
شو بدك بالشادو؟ انت تكون اخذها من قبل هلا. فهمت قصدي؟ ما انت هون كسر على 35 240 شايفها؟
صحيح شفتها بس لانه كان بعد في شي 1 minute so قلت I prefer to watch it to
1
see
minute.
the close.
1 minute بتضاوي كتير.
انا معك.
1 minute 1 minute بتضاوي انت تكون عملت 3 4 تريدات. واو اخذها كلها. اخذها كلها. نايس. نايس. It's hard to believe انه ما كان راح يطلع. لانه مش معقول يعني هيك كاندل كبيره اوكي من وراها كاندل كبيره اوكي من وراها عمل ريجكشن. هيدي الريجكشن هي الخطره. هيدي هون هيدي اللي هي بسموها كاندل الضياع. This candle is a bit like tricky and it shows at some point احمد 20 pips على القد. Nice احمد. Elite 30 pips. Nice guys. Nice guys. Nice. And then it breaks. يعني we have now a higher high and a lower low. يعني هون كمان this green candle that made this rejection again يعني went down and then it should resume down but it didn't. It reject up all the way to break the high. رجع برم البرمة كلها تيكسر هيدي الهاي. So بصعوبة I can believe إنه هيدي ما تكون باي 35240. كان عندنا 60 65 اوريدي عملها. سو دغري من بعدها بالدقيقة فتحت الكاندل وراها بوق ضلوا مكمل طلع. It's very nice. Anthony داوود 20 pips. Nice guys. Nice. بس خلص out. ما تعيشوها كتير. أنا بظهر ساعة. أنا 10 15 كانت ظهرت حتى مش 20 ما بنطر 20 بهيك حالة. Scalping so amazing when you understand the bear and the candles of course. Of course, this is a science, guys. This is not gambling. This is not having fun. Yeah, of course, it's having fun, but not in the with study. And we are having fun. I don't remember the last time I was stressed while trading the US 30. Yeah, Rami, it's a scam. Congrats, guys. You are being scammed every single day with some new pips, with some new positive result. Yeah. Yes, Rami. So congrats, every single person in this community. You are scammed, guys. Live. مش انه كمان مش live. You are scammed live. من عادة واحد بيكون مش live هيدي live يعني حتى. And then some people will come and will say, oh, this business is a scam. Trading is a scam. Trading you lose money. Of course you lose money when you don't know how to trade, when you don't have the right education, when you don't surround yourself with the right community. You will learn. I wish I can learn all about trading. Don't wish. You are already here. You will learn. You just have to give it some time. You need like few months. Not, of course, you won't learn in the first week and second week and 1 month. You know, guys, for the new people, they don't know, but all the community with us, we have been trading the US 30 live for 1 year almost. And now I'm increasing lots. I've been trading the US 30 for half lot and then for one lot. Now I'm starting a new level with 2 lots. Trading US 30 scalp has been like for the last 2 years. 1 year live stream, and then before, of course, we didn't have the live stream. So my mentor Raja pushed me as usual to do the live stream and to educate people live about trading while I'm trading with them. And now in the last bootcamp, he also pushed me to move forward with my lot size, because every person have limits, guys. I have limits. Every person have limits in their minds. I have limits. Everyone have limits. We have to overcome these limits, you know. Very much value. I love scalping. Made $50 in this session. Perfect. Perfect forever. Nice. More important than learning, discipline and patience, of course. This is the most. Look. It did like 20 pips exactly, 25 pips, and then moved down. This is also how much is important to understand when to go out. First, like some people, and I have one of my goals in this in the next few months, for example, like to have the 2 lots for maximum 6 months, half year, and the other half of the year I should increase it to 4 lots. So let's see if we will make it. Let's see. Need to learn this, when to get in. You are already in. You are already in. If you are on the Zoom call, you are in. Just bear with us every single live session. Now this is a reversal. If it breaks the slow, there is a high probability to have a bearish candle. We have a big rejection. Usually this candle is a shooting star, usually, but usually it should be after a big move up. So we can't sell unless it breaks 35,229, the slow. And let's see. GJ 0.5, reversing GJ, 15 minutes. I bet you guys, if you get into this live session for the next, and if you commit yourself to get into these live sessions for the next 3 months, you will never leave this business. You will become knowledgeable in trading and in Dow, in US 30. You will become profitable. You will become more, and you will understand more how this pair works and how you can profit, how you can make profits using this pair, this index. Gold resuming its way down. I think it will go all the way down now. It should hit the 1789. 25 pips to go. US 30. Wick fill now. It's filling the wick. It's filling the wick. Let's It filled all the week. It's been 6 months, Miguel. Never skipped live session, and that's what pushed me up more. Yes, I can see your progress, Miguel. I can see your progress very well. So I think it's done, kind of done for today. No need to push more trades. Like, the only thing that I can tell you if you see a fall from this area down to like breaking this support now, become this support now, this one, like 35,174 for the people who are new, who didn't take any trade yet. If you had your 2 trades today or 1 trade, it's enough, guys. It's a winning day. You are from the 10% who won, as my mentor always say. I need to look down to show you my progress because of work. Nice. I'm sure, nice. I collected 20 pips. I am happy with this. Thank you. Yeah, perfect, Elian. Every time I see people that are making profits, and this is so important. Forever Mel, congrats also. It was a great session for all of us. So, are you ready? Now you can give. Now you can bring some Christmas gifts happily. And some people like imagine I had a conversation with someone. By the way, guys, by the way, that we have a fake account. I put it on my stories. You know, my account is at Abdullah.Harfoush, but there is a fake account, the same name that I have, which is at Abdullah, but 3L. 3L, not yani the name, displayed name is double L normally. But if you check above the name, it's double L. So you have to be careful. My account has 15 point something K and not 10K. At the same time, check the videos, guys. Check when we say add, and don't let people dump you. No, don't let people fake you. You know, it should move up again, the US30. Look what a setup. Okay, so you must be careful with this, and you must not accept anyone to tell you that this is the application, download it, transfer for money to it, or we can give you ROI, high ROI. Look. Can you see the US30? This is how, this was a nice buy also. It was an amazing setup, by the way. So I will explain
عبدالله
شو أخذتها؟
last trade 10 بيب وخلص really
خلص مان صاروا هلا باللايف صرت اعمل لك شي 4. Anyway,
على قد 100% بس خلص it's the last one خلص I stop.
okay, perfect. Congrats. So make sure to report this 10 pips, Eli, nice. But guys, I see some people making more than 3 trades, so that's enough. Close your laptops. We had an amazing 50 minutes, and this is it. We made our profits, and go enjoy your life during the day, during the night. Anyway, so please report this account and check the videos, check everything, but don't reply to anyone. And I want to say something at the end. Like I had a nice conversation with someone. I was inviting him to join, and he checked our Instagram, and he tell us like, "Wow, I really like trading. I really want to join you in trading. But now it's Christmas time. I have so many gifts to bring. So maybe after 3 weeks, after New Year, I will get into this." And then my question was for this guy when he was telling this. And I tell him, okay, that's perfect. And what's your gift for yourself for 2022? He was like, I don't have time to give gift for myself. I have my family. I have people who I want to gift for. And then I told him, if you don't give yourself a gift, then and a profitable gift, then in the future, you will have to regret this. Because for me في عالم يعني هلا بتشوف تحكيها بالانجليزي انا كان conversation بالعربي. So for me أترجمها يعني الترجم. So for me, if you go into this into 2022 without a real plan about what are you going to do, then it will be so bad to start a year with no direction. Especially if this guy is in Lebanon, in my hometown country, where a huge financial crisis is hitting, and people are seeing their purchasing power devaluating and disappearing because of the high inflation, almost hyperinflation like Venezuela. So, and then they say, I want to bring I want to bring some gifts, liabilities, without even having the idea after the new year when it's done, how they will resume their life, how they will make more money, how they will create more money. So always, guys, you have to think about yourself and your future. This is what I believe in. Your goals, your dreams, your goals. Focus on these before you focus on anything else. And then, if you are good, if you are making good results, if you are being happy, making income, you can support your family, you can support your country, you can support yourself first, and then your kids, your family, your all the people around you. But if you do not do this, if you do not do this, then they will not even be able to support you, and you will not be able to support them and to support yourself. Yes, Osman. Yes, Osman. You said you want to share something, but if it's writing, no. Just open the mic and speak. Follow successful people, you will be successful. Follow the king, you will be amazing. Thank you so much, Elias. I really appreciate. Osman, you wanted to say something and then you don't want now? Okay, so let's check what happens with the US30, by the way, before we close, because this is an educational session. I don't have a mic. Okay, after joining this community, I shifted from consistently losing to consistently winning. I have a stem cell transplant soon. Without your help, I could never afford it. Wow, man, goosebumps. Come on. Of course, you will have all our prayers for Christmas, and hopefully, you will get through it, and you will get a successful thing. Talking about 50,000 fresh. Hopefully, it will be a nice, it will be successful surgery or something. Best of luck, seriously. Okay, guys. Look, this setup. I will go to the setup. I will go to the setup. Look here, this trade. This was a typical trade, guys. This was a typical trade for a buy. Check this. It went down here, the rejection, and then it didn't break down, then went up again. Look, it went up again, and then closed exactly at the resistance. Look, this resistance, exactly at the resistance, and then opened here, wick down, and then start to push up. And I was talking when I told you, look, it's doing an amazing setup, the US30 for a buy, and then it pushed all the way up for 20 pips and still pushing up. Guys, this is so nice. Seriously, so nice. You can understand charts, you can work, you can trade, you can have fun at the same time, and you can build your business from anywhere in the world. Imagine now you can have your laptop and you can build your business all over the world. What you need more than this? I don't need anything more than this for me. For me, as time freedom, the kind of time freedom we have, the kind of money we make, and we can with the kind of progress and self-discipline, self-education, and helping people also at the same time to make the same. So, yep. This is it for today, guys. This is it for today. 30 pips. Hey, sorry for entering later. I will another entry. We did another entry, Simon, but you went like, okay, Simon, I think you should be on the Zoom. I don't know why you're on YouTube. Anyway, Alex, you mentioned the fake accounts on 2 of your posts. Yes. Yes. It is showing on his account. He is doing the same thing I'm doing at the same point. At some point, you must just differentiate. Just check this account before initiating any conversation. And then they are so aggressive. They push you to put money with them. They push you to transfer money. They talk about crypto, by the way. They don't talk about Forex and investment in Forex and things like this. So be careful. You are smart enough to understand this. This. I just want to thank you for Zaid Ghalib, Mr. Abdullah. I just want to thank you for everything, and I'm glad إنه اتعلمت trading from you and your system. Hope 2022 is going to be good for you and everyone. Same here, Zaid. I hope that it will be a super amazing year for you and for every single person who is working on himself, and also for people who are not yet working on themselves. I hope they will. By the way, guys, in 7 days, 28, I will be initiating a free webinar called goals for the goals settings. I do it like every year at the end of the year to start a fresh new year. For me, this month is a planning month, and I plan all the 2022 in December, especially the last week of December. So that's why من هيك أنا رح كون عم بعمل ويبينار 28 و 28 الشهر هيدا. It's the fourth time يعني رابع مرة بعملها ب4 سنين for the fourth year. It will be special to explain how do you set your goals, how do you set your short term, medium term, long term. كيف تحطوا الأهداف تبعكم على المدى القصير، على المدى المتوسط، على المدى البعيد. I'm not talking about financial goals. I'm talking about financial goals, about social goals, family goals, health goals, and relationships, everything. يعني all the wheel of life, how to put your goals and how to start working on these goals. And most people, they don't have long-term goals. They just work day by day. Yes, you must have the long-term goals in order to start checking what do I need to do now? What do I need to do now to reach my medium and long-term goals? So this is so important to have this and to focus on this. Can I know what's your spread on US 30? And thanks for all the knowledge. It is 2 pips. 2 pips. Like for example, 35, 5, 22, 24. 2 pips. Okay. Entry 355 with no commission, of course. No commission. Just pips. Just the spread. Okay. So guys, have an amazing day. Thank you so much. It was a very nice session. Yesterday, today, every day. You are here to learn. Always don't forget this. You are here to learn and to increase your skills. With time, step by step, you will be able to reach your goals, to make profits, and you will be a very successful trader. Thank you so much, guys. See you.